Laptop shows black screen after login. You just entered your password. You are ready to work, but then nothing. Just a black screen and a lonely cursor. It is frustrating. It is stressful. And it feels like your laptop is dead. Don't worry, you can fix this problem yourself at home. Watch this full video to get your screen back and get back to work. If you face any difficulty, please comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Also, like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel Tech Vibes. First, try a graphics driver reset. Press the Windows key, Control, Shift, and B together. You will hear a beep. The screen might flicker. This often fixes minor glitches. Next, perform a force restart. Unplug the charger. Remove all USB-C and other devices. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. This drains static electricity. Reconnect and power on. If you see a cursor, press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete. Select Task Manager. Go to File, then select Run New Task. Type explorer.exe. Press Enter. This restarts your desktop. If those steps did not work, we need to enter Safe Mode. This starts Windows with minimal drivers. It helps us find the software causing the problem. Force shutdown 3 times to see automatic repair. Go to Advanced Options, then go to Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced Options, then go to Startup Settings, then select Restart. Press F5 for Safe Mode with networking. Once in Safe Mode, open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Disable all apps. Restart your laptop. If it works, enable them one by one to find the culprit. Check your graphics drivers. Go to Device Manager, then go to Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card. Select Uninstall Device. Do not delete the driver. Windows will reinstall it on restart. This fixes corrupt files. You can also try System Restore. Go to Control Panel, then go to Recovery, then select Open System Restore. Pick a date when your laptop worked perfectly. Follow the prompts. You have fixed it. Your laptop is back to normal. Thank you for watching Tech Vibes. Stay connected and stay productive.